a series on NetSuite Saved Search tutorials. So today I'll be clearing your doubts on saved searches. I hope you know what is saved search in NetSuite, right?
Woody, actually, I have a kind of a requirement. Like, I really needed the list of vendors or anything like that. So, what is Save Search the answer for it?
Exactly. So using saved search, we can retrieve or pull out the data from NetSuite. Say, for example, as you have said, like you want to get the list of all vendors created in this account or for any specific subsidiary. So just like that, we can create, first of all, we need to identify what is exact criteria. And based on that criteria, we can create saved search and pull out the data from NetSuite.
Okay. So, is it that are they standard, or I can create my own Save Searches?
Exactly. You can create your own saved searches according to your requirements.
No. So, can you tell me what exactly Save Search?
In NetSuite, a saved search is a powerful feature that allows users to define and save custom search criteria to find and display specific data from NetSuite system. So that is saved search. So it enables users to create complex search queries with various filters, sorting options, and result columns to retrieve the desired information from the database.
Okay.
So let's go to your requirement. So first of all, you have said like you want to pull out the list of all vendors, right?
Yeah, but I wanted to have the list of vendors created by me, or I can say Cappy.
Okay.
Yeah, Catherine. I want to have, because I don't want all the list of vendors, because I can just go to the transactions and I can go to the list relationships on vendors and I can find the list of transactions. But if I really wanted only the vendors that have been created by Catherine, so I really needed something what you said, research search.
So we can see a total of 133 vendors are there in this account, and you want to get only the vendors created by Catherine, right?
Yes. Yes.
So by using this view, we are not able to identify which all of the vendors created by Catherine. So for that, I'm going to create a simple saved search in NetSuite. And as I have discussed in our previous video also, the navigation is that I'm going to use is list search saved searches on you. From here, I'm going to select the search type as vendors. So here we can see saved vendor search is coming, and using this page, first of all, I'm going to provide a title for our search. So for example, vendors created by Catherine. So that's the name I'm going to provide for our search. And if you wish to provide any ID for your search, then you can provide this identification over here, like for further identification of the search and all. Right now, I'm not going to provide any ID for it. Even if I haven't provided an ID for my search, the system will be automatically providing an ID for it. And I'm going to make this search public so that other users can access the search as well. If I'm not providing or checking this box over here, only I'll get the access to this particular search. I'm not making it as public. And going back to your requirement, you want to see the list of vendors created by Catherine or one user. So in every record or in every transaction, there will be one subtab called system information, right? You know about that.
Yeah, because you can go down and can you go and show it to the viewers if you're okay with that?
Sure. I'll open a vendor.
Yes.
I have opened this test IC customer one. This is a vendor created by one user. And in the vendor record itself, we can see one subtab called system information. See here. And if I click on this system information and go to system notes, here we can see Catherine Glass is the one who have created this particular vendor. 83 test IC customer. We can see the record, created date, what all of the data she has provided. Like all those are available here under the system notes field.
So it is like if when I go to a vendor and I see this information, and then I can go to save search and click on that respective system notes, and then take the Catherine, then I will get it. So I can either even if I even don't know how to do the save search and find out where, I can even do it in this way, right?
Exactly. So we are making use of this particular data over here called the system nodes in our saved search as a criteria.
Mhm.
So I am going to select the same system nodes field or the criteria field.
Mhm.
I have selected the system node field, and here I'm going to select set by. So we need to see only the list of vendors created by Catherine. So from the set by, I can select the employees. So all the employees' name will be displaying over here. From that, I'm going to select Catherine.
On the top.
Yeah, I have selected the Catherine class as an employee. So we have successfully defined our criteria. And
Good.
what all are the results that you are expecting for the vendors?
So I need. Can I have the location?
Location. I think in vendors, do we record location? No.
City.
Okay.
State. City. Can you go to the address fields? It will be in the address fields.
Yeah. Okay, address field.
Mhm.
From there, I'm clicking on add multiples.
Mhm. Yeah. Here you can select the city.
City, country,
Mhm.
state.
That's fine.
Okay. So I have provided the information as well. So should I click on save and run and show you the results for
Yes,
vendor script? Yeah. So we can see a total of 6 such vendors are there created by Catherine class. So all these vendors are listing out here with their information that we have selected in the result fields. Name, email, phone, office phone, fax, alternative email, BRN, address, city, state, and finally state of province.
Perfect.
So I hope this part is clear, right?
Yeah.
But to create a saved search.
In the same way, can I have the list of vendor bills created by Catherine?
Sure, of course. But this time I'm not going to select the search type as vendors, but I'm going to select the search type as transactions.
Okay. So can you even the same way? Can you go to show me a vendor bill? And is it the same way? Just like how we did for the system information?
Yeah, exactly.
Mhm.
So these all are the bills which is available in this account, and we can see a total of 100 such bills are there. If I'm opening any one bill, and go to system information subtab, and under the system notes, we can see this bill is created by Catherine Glass.
Mhm.
So we will make use of this information for our next search for pulling out the list of all vendor bills created by Catherine Glass.
Okay.
So same exactly like I'm going to create a new saved search. List search saved search as a new.
And
This time I'm going to select.
once you create this, can you also show me all the 2 saved searches that we create in the saved search?
Sorry.
I mean, I really wanted to see the saved search that we created in the list of the saved searches.
Oh yeah, I can show you that.
Mhm.
So right now we are in the saved transaction search creation page, and I'm going to provide the titles for that. vendor created by Catherine.
Mhm.
I have provided the title and made this search as public.
Public.
And same exactly like that, I'm going to select the system nodes field and set the criteria as set by Catherine class.
Okay.
So I have successfully set the criteria. So
Mhm.
it will list all the vendor bills created by Catherine class. And I'm going to provide an additional criteria, that is main line, in order to avoid or eliminate all the duplicate lines from our search.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
I'm going to provide main line as true. And we have successfully provided the criteria, and under the results, these all are the data. Say, for example, if I earlier go in my search, but I need to get the provision to see the list of all vendor bills from one particular date to another particular date.
Okay.
So in that case, if that is also one requirement, in that case, I'll be adding a specific filter to our search so that I can simply sort the vendor bills according to the date.
But Modi, can I have this in the filters? Because if you give me a filter here,
Mhm.
then I will be restricted with only that information. But in case if I have it in the top, like the header, then I will be able to filter what in the available information that you give me, I will be able to filter.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to that point. I want to give the provision to all the users who is using this particular search to be able to filter out the results.
Mhm.
So I have gone to the available filters subtab, and from here I'm going to select date as a filter. Date is nothing but the date in which the transaction is created.
Okay.
So I have provided the date filter over here, and it is very important to check this box over here, show in filter region. So I have provided that box as well, so that the user will get access to filter out the results.
Excellent. Excellent. Mhm.
And let's see the results, right?
Mhm.
I'm going to click on save and run. So we'll have to provide another name.
Mhm. Done. Wanted. Done. Mhm.
Mainline Astro.
Mhm.
Oh, here it is. The results.
Okay.
A total of
I'm-
89 vendor bills for that.
So, what do you mean by duplicates, Modi? I think you have even removed the duplicates, right?
So say for example, in a transaction, there are similar kinds of lines like tax line, COGS line. So all these lines will be again duplicating if we haven't provided that main line as true. So in order
Okay.
to avoid that, I have selected the main line as true.
Okay. Perfect. And I think I can see them in the date coming here. Okay. On the filters, yeah?
Yeah. So for example, if I want to filter the results from 1st of January to May 1st.
Mhm.
So I can simply provide the data over here, and the system will automatically filter out the results. So 85 of the vendor bills are created from this particular date, 1st of January to 1st of May. And we can see all the dates as already.
Perfect. And Modi, I think I wanted to see the share search, which is which is actually saved.
Okay, you want to see the list of all services. Okay, I can show
Exactly.
you.
And I wanted to show these two there.
So instead of new, I have gone to list saved searches are here. So this is a list of all services created. Here we can define the type of services. First of all, we have created the services with vendors type, right?
Mhm.
So I'm going to select the type as vendor over here. So this is a search that we have created just now. We can see the created date and time over here.
Perfect. So it's the same thing, but you went where it is the lists, and you went to search. Okay.
Services.
Save search. Okay, that's it. And these are the list, and I have to filter what type of
Exactly.
I have created.
And finally, we have selected a transaction search for pulling out the vendor bills. So I'm going to select transaction as a type right now. And let's find the search that we have created just now.
Maybe we can filter based on the last run on. I think you can click on the last run.
Okay.
On the last run, just like in the edge of the. This was. Yeah, I think vendors created.
So this is a search that we have created for vendor bills.
Oh, I think you named it as vendor. But it is actually vendor billing.
Sorry, that was my
It's okay, no, kind problem. Yeah, no problem.
vendor bills created with Kaplan.
Okay.
So anyway, I hope this part is clear, right?
Perfectly fine. I think I have understood very clearly. But I have one more last requirement where we spoke about vendors, we spoke about vendor bill, but how about items? Maybe you can take any choice of your items.
Like if you want to see the list of all inventory items from one particular subsidiary, or what's the requirement?
Yes, I wanted to see the list of items
Mhm.
for any one particular subsidiary, because I can change the subsidiary based on what.
Okay, you want the subsidiary filter as well, right?
As well as the item.
Perfect. So I'll go and create one services for that. This time I'm not going to select vendor or transaction because this is related to items. The requirement is related to items. So I'm going to simply select items over here. Provide a title. Subsidiary wise items. So I have provided the title for our search, made it as public, and I'm going to select or define the type of items.
Okay.
I want to see the list of all inventory items. So I have selected the type as inventory over here, set the criteria. These all are the result currently I require. And as you have said, you need the filter to filter it by subsidiary wise. So in the available filters, I'm going to select subsidiary.
Okay.
Show it in filter region. And here one more feature is available. Say for example, you need to see the list of two subsidiary items of two subsidiary just by chance. Like you get the provision to select one subsidiary, and it should get the provision, should give you the provision to select multiple subsidiary as well. So in that case, you can check this box as well, show as multi-select. If you're checking these two boxes, then you'll get the ability to select multiple subsidiary and filter the results based on that. So
Perfect.
I have clicked on that, and let's see the results. So we can see a total of 30 inventory items are available in this account. And now coming to the next part, you want to filter out based on subsidiary. Say for example, I need to filter out all my items created under the UK subsidiary So I can simply select the subsidiary over here, and we can see only 21 such items are existed in our UK subsidiary.
Mhm.
And this is also multi-select. I'm going to select London as well.
Okay.
See, the count got changed.
Correct.
Just like that, we can make use of saved search for retrieving or pulling out data from NetSuite databases according to our needs or according to our requirements.
And Modi, when you selected the UK one, did you use any shift button or you just done it?
I used for multiple select, I have to use control button.
Okay, so when you clicked on UK and you want to scroll down and you want to click another one, so you pressed control button and you click the second one. Yeah.
Exactly. So I hope that was clear.
Yes, Modi, I think I'm very clear on. I can create my own saved searches now. And thank you so much.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you for watching our video. Keep supporting.
And please subscribe us and also let us know if you need any comments. We will so we can make another video for you guys and we can spread knowledge on NetSuite. So NetSuite is very easy. What?
Yeah. Thank you all.
Thank you.